go see one of our campsites that we're gonna go to for the first time of the year. That way we can, when we get there, that way we can test out our camper and make sure it's good to go before we take any long trips. So we're just gonna go to Cadora's Furnace.
No. Pine Grove.
Pine Grove Furnace. State Park, and make sure it's an actual.
It's a good site that we've got.
Good spot for a camper that's as big as we have.
It's that the state parks have actual like trees and boulders, and I just want to see how it is, what it's going to look like, so I know how I can maneuver the camper, just like we did last year when we took our camper out for the first time. So I like to scope them out, because you book them online and you don't know exactly what it looks like except for one little tiny picture. And hopefully it warms up enough and maybe we can take the top down a little bit. We'll see. Even if it's when we're just cruising slow, obviously not going fast. Sunny. Right now it says it's 55 degrees, and it is sunny. There's clouds, so might get a little chillier with that. But it says it's only going to get to 57, so it's going to be a little chilly today. Yesterday was a little bit warmer.
And then we have Remington with his backpack. We have a Primrose.
On our phone.
And Winston.
I don't know if you can see him. His little head down there. There he is. And Winston brought his RC car.
Yep. He wants to try his RC car on the trails, make sure they work good.
And over here where we're going is the Appalachian Trail. And it's where they do the half-gallon challenge at. So we're going to check all that out. Obviously when we go camping it might be a little bit more active than now, because it's only March 17th. It is St. Patty's Day.
And, the hikers on the trail aren't even up here towards this way yet.
Now, some of them started in January, some hikers, but not too many. A lot of them are starting probably around this time.
They start down, what, Georgia?
They start down in Georgia at Amacola, if I can say it right, Amacola Falls, if I'm saying it right. That is the starting point.
And it takes them all the way to Maine.
Yep.
And this spot that we're going to, the point in the trail, is actually a really decent spot for them to get some rest, because there's a couple of different sleeping areas.
Yeah, it's a nice area. It's actually where we were yesterday, where we dropped off my parents' camper at. It's right down the road, so it's about an hour drive.
Now we're on 83.
A little busier here than some of the people that we watch on YouTube who live out west.
I know.
I wish we could go somewhere where it wasn't so many people, but and we're out in the Jeep today.
Yep, the Jeep.
What this area is called, but we're like 2/3 of the way here, and let's just get some gas here because Andrew's Jeep was at like, I don't know, 7:45. So here's Andrew's Jeep, taking the Jeep for a ride. There's Remy, Daddy getting us a snack. You say hi? You see yourself? All right, Mommy's gonna shut your door. So we're gonna be going that direction. Kind of head up towards the apple orchards. Give you guys a quick view of that. Almost almost there. And then get a view of our site. Just kind of hoping I could park it, the camper there. First time parking our new camper in a site. I've parked the camper at the house once. Second time I had to have my neighbor help me. Just couldn't get the angles right, and I got frustrated, and my neighbor parks stuff for a living with trailers and stuff. So I personally just like to go scope out sites, because when you book them online, you don't really get one picture like when you do state park. So I like to go and assess before I get there with the camper and be like, oh, I can't do this. Which you can. Obviously, I pick a site that says it's long enough. So, but we'll get some gas, get some snack, and hit the road.
Oh my god!
Look at the cows. We're recording cows. Cow goes moo. How does that song go?
I don't know.
You like all the cows? Alright, so let me see if I can get myself in position. One thing about here is it is hilly. So now we're gonna go fly down and then coast up. Fly down, coast up. Like a roller coaster. Whee! And kind of see out here all the orchards. What, honey bun?
We drop. I feel like for 1 second I just lift up off the seat
Yeah,
and land back in it.
exactly. It's like a whoa.
Yeah.
Your stomach drops on these roads. And this is how we came yesterday with Grandma and Grandpa's camper.
You did?
We did.
Oh, it's like you did.
I was gonna say, nope, we did. And we even turned over here and went through the orchards. Oh no. Our snacky snack. Yep.
Your mott sticks
My mott sticks and my hot dog that I ate half of it.
from the Rudders.
Spicy chips.
Yes, the spicy chips. As Winston said, no reaction. The baby ate all of his fries.
We are in going, or I don't know if we are in it yet where we're at, but the bit, and I'm gonna butcher all these names. The
Mitchell?
Mitchocks?
St. Forest.
Yeah. farther. But here's the sign.
There's the road. And there's the sign coming up.
Yeah. No, it's behind me. I'll go slow. The Appalachian Trail, Maine to Georgia. So I've hiked it up to here to this road and then walked this road back because the campground's up here. And I've also hiked it the other way, almost to Pine Grove, or just about, almost. I did it to Laurel Lake, so that was what, 6.5 miles I hiked that, and you picked me up because I was dead. because it was all uphill. But this is Cherokee Campground. Look, so that's where we're seasonal. This is so pretty to me.
Are you trying to be sneaky with the mott sticks?
Uh-huh. So this is Mountain Creek Campground, which we have not camped there yet. Look at all those sites. Holy cow.
Well, it's empty right now due to
Oh, yeah.
being winter.
They have a good bit of seasonal.
They have a mini golf course, a pool, community play area.
The creek where you could put your chair in and just sit in the creek.
Yep. Summertime is
So here's Pole Steeple Overlook. That's where I've hiked to. So I've hiked to here through the woods. And that was the road to get to the parking lot for that. And then you can actually, if you go all the way down that road, it takes you to the section of the Appalachian Trail where you can kind of park your car and get onto the trail. Here's the dam, which actually releases a good bit
wow,
of
look at all
water.
that water going out of there.
But you can go kayaking and swimming and everything. Just don't go near the dam. Would not be a pleasant trip down.
Because I am your damn tour guide.
So this is Laurel Lake.
That was Vegas Vacation Line, by the way.
Oh my goodness.
When him and Eddie and all them go and visit the Hoover Dam. And the tour guide goes, I am your damn tour guide. And then Eddie goes, where can I get some damn bait?
Camp Thompson.
Carlisle YMCA.
I wonder if that's like for tent camping. Look at the trees. You know you're in a forest now.
They are quite foresty.
Yeah. One way. So those are all cabins I bet you could rent. Look at them all. Yeah,
Yeah,
there's
they're
so
all
many
cabins.
of them.
There's a bunch of them up there.
Oh, here, Fuller Lake. So this is
Yep,
the
Fuller
other
Lake.
lake. Fuller Lake
Day
Use.
use area.
So we're getting close to, yep.
That has the beach, right?
It says it has a beach. And Pine Grove is up here. So basically, this is as if we were heading south. Campers proceed to campground. As if you were hitting.
Pine Grove State Forest right here.
Yep,
I mean,
your
the
park
park.
office. Yep.
Furnace.
And then the store. All right, camp areas, camp
store right here.
All right, so this
The
is.
museum's here. The Appalachian Trail Museum.
All right. No tractor trailers. Is this where you go with the campers?
Yeah, it said campers enter here.
All right, let's see.
Building permits required.
Yeah,
Oh,
here's
wow.
where you do the half-gallon challenge at. Is this right here?
That little store.
This is the general store where hikers do the half-gallon challenge, which it's not open yet, but that's okay. So we'll have to come here and get ice cream, right, guys?
You guys can get the ice cream. I'll pass.
Well, we're not all gonna get a half-gallon.
I know. I'm just picking.
Paymaster's office,
Also, it's a
rental cabin. Oh, it's a cabin.
Didn't know that.
Well, obviously no tractor trailers, so we're going straight.
So we need spot 2.
Yep. Oh gosh, the sun glare. So that's just parking.
Yeah, to go see the furnace.
Yep, which we've done that. Oh, look, they have
Oh.
electrical park.
Yeah. Electric chargers here.
Oh,
That's nice. If you have an electric vehicle, they have electric chargers. They
Yeah.
have, what, 4 spots?
exactly. Winston, look, there's a creek. Yeah. I don't know if that'd be a
That's the
deep
same
enough
creek that goes to
campground
Cherokee.
trail.
So
Alright.
apparently the creek filled back up with all this water we're having.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, it does open March 20th. Okay, so we parked out there. This is the entrance. We kind of parked in the exit over here. But
That's my.
checking this place out.
That's when the new Godzilla movie comes out.
Is it? What's this? Oh, the honor system, if there's sites available. Now this I think is pretty cool. It's a little workstation for your bike. Screwdrivers, Allen keys. Right, Remington? That's pretty cool. No touch. I told your brother and sister now.
Feed the bears.
Do not feed the bears. Oh boy. You guys ready? Let's see.
Horseshoe loop.
Horseshoe loop.
You're allowed to bring horses here?
I think it's just the name of it, honey. All right.
There's the woodshed.
There's site A. So these are, that's a no electric. No, there's electric. There's another little water pump. Campground host. It's a little chilly. Yeah. And that's like an honor system. Nice. So that's site 3730. Oh my gosh, where's site 2? So I wonder if we should have walked up backwards. Because it feel like it didn't look like that. Nope, that's 5. 35. That was 3? Oh, 36. Where's 2? Did anyone look at the map?
I looked at the map. I didn't really look at most of these things. Plus, I didn't know there's bears here. Are there bears here?
Yes, there's bears. We're in the forest.
Where's the bear poop then?
Well, hopefully it's not too close. All right. Remy, stay close to mommy.
Imagine if bear poop's just right there.
All right, no signal. Like it said, there's no signal here. All right, who's the slowest one?
Daddy. He's the weak tip.
All right. Restroom parking is 15 minutes. Our site is something like this. Go see if you can find the number on that site.
What number is it?
We are looking for site 2. Oh my gosh. Where is site 2? All right, you guys, don't go too far. We are walking backwards now because we cut through. Thinking, I don't know, the numbers were backwards, I guess. But this is one thing I love about state parks. You getting tired? I'm not carrying you. You can run. Then you can take a nice nap. All right, hold on.
Do it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Whew. All right, the things that we do. Right, Remy? Okay. Has anyone found number? You found number 2? Oh, I guess it- if this is site number 2, hold on. Oh, site's 2. Okay, so we're like in this random middle loop. We've lost Andrew. Okay, so we'll go around and we'll come up this middle lane. Now I wish we went the right way. Oh gosh, this looks so tight to turn the camper in. Oh no, you go this way. You gotta be kidding me. Do I have to turn down this lane? Oh my God. Okay, well that makes sense about parking it. I mean, that is a sharp.
Daddy. Let's see what.
I don't see Daddy. I don't know if I like that. I mean, the camper will fit. And this is why you check it out. Huh. Because if you come up this way, That won't be terrible to back into. Andrew, over here. Found Andrew in the woods there. So this is our site.
Hey, there's like a little round ray over here.
Yep, that's ours too.
Let's see.
So it's like a little play area. And the dogs can come.
We're playing with Daddy.
It's Daddy. As long as he doesn't fall, he just got staples out of his head. Not far from the bathhouse. You want to get down?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. There you go. So you have to go around the loop the whole way.
I figured that out when I went down to the.
And then you got to make this left turn. You have to turn down here. This is a one-way going that way.
Oh.
But this turn is like a little sharp in my opinion.
So you turn and
Then you come down
park
here.
up through and then back in.
It'll be easy to back in. It's just this turn. We're gonna have to take the sway bars off when we're filling it up with water.
We're going to take it off since the end of the campground.
This is a nice site. It's just, I don't like that turn. Yep. 30 amps.
Yep. With a regular outlet too.
That's one thing I love about the state parks is they have that. I'm wondering if they're taking this tree out. It's a Widowmaker. Looks like one.
When can I drop your seat?
Well, we'll go to another parking lot and walk a trail. I mean, I can make the turn. It's just,
Hey, look how wide it is.
yeah, they widened it. Should have seen the turns I had to make yesterday with the camper.
Okay, so there's the parking lot over there.
Yeah, someone else is parking. So I wonder if that was like where you could have parked.
Probably where you park the second car.
Oh, like overflow.
That would be a no, dear.
I know. Here. That's because there's dogs.
I know.
I know. I have fears.
It's an adorable dog.
Yes, it is. It is. That is a nice bathhouse.
Is it open or no?
Oh, I didn't even check that part, but I just looked from the
doubt
outside. It looked nice.
I'm assuming it's not. They wouldn't have it open. That's a no electric site.
Still winterized. All covered up still.
Yeah, you might not be up.
Isn't that out of order?
No, but the door's locked, see?
Oh.
Because it's still wintertime.
Yeah, they're not gonna open them.
Look at.
Did you hear me?
What?
I saw I'll probably be doing this by myself.
Yeah, because I'll have to drive up afterwards. They have a bike rack,
No. You can ride your bike up here.
but they don't have a,
A what?
remember that other state park? It had a dishwashing area. Yep. Oh no, they do have a dishwashing area right here. Yep, they have 2 sinks for washing up everything. Remy, come on. Nah, me and Remington will go this way. Let's go. Go ahead. We'll go this way. Now we're looking at the dump station.
They don't have the hose hooked up yet. You don't use this water. The blue water over there.
Ah. A game trail camera. Probably how they monitor the park.
You really gonna put that in the video?
After walking around the campground, we all had to take a bathroom break.
Except for me.
Except for Winston.
So I'm gonna dry my RC. Weird, that was the breeze. For a split second.
It's a good breeze.
Yeah. But yeah, Mom's pretty an artist. You back? You back? You back? You back?
We're back. There's no garbage pail here.
Just inside.
No, I'm not gonna. That one poor guy, he was trying to go. Trying to go. That's why I asked him, I said, do you want to use the bathroom before we do? Did I shut my door?
Yeah.
Do my yard. Mom, look at this. Look at the song.
Yep. It's from
Elemental.
Disney Elemental, yep. All right, let's go check out Fuller Lake.
All right, we'll go check out the.
You have to go this way.
Which way?
This way. That says no entry. No car behind it.
Well, there's quite a few cars.
Well, you know what I mean. I don't know if I can see it, but right there it says Appalachian Trail. Now there's so much garbage in here right now. Georgia to Maine. Backyard Pavilion. So there's a, I guess, yeah, that's the Appalachian Trail. That way. There's the furnace up here. Everyone's out riding their bikes.
That's a nice bike.
Yeah. We've been here before.
Couple times.
Yeah. Checked it all out. Well, at least now we know where we're going. Well, I know where I'm going.
That's the giant furnace.
Yep, that's a furnace. And there's that furnace right down the road from our house.
Yep.
I can't remember what that was.
There was a broken bridge.
Is there a broken bridge over there?
Yeah. Me and Winston.
Oh, that's right. You and Winston went that way. All right, so we're gonna go right. It says no tractor trailers, but basically, I feel like campers are like a tractor trailer. So that's a mansion up there.
Yeah.
I can't remember. Read what it says.
Yeah, that mansion.
But look, we could walk up here to the store, Winston. Pine Grove Furnace General Store. So it's closed for now, but we'll have to come up here and check it out.
And that's the ranger station.
That's the ranger station, and then the museum, the Appalachian Trail Museum, is up here.
Or is that the? Oh, that's the museum. Right there.
Oh, that's the museum. Whoops, hitting the window here. Yep, that's only open. Appalachian Trail Museum. Ah, I keep hitting the window. I mean, this is a nice, pretty area.
It's a nice picnic area.
I don't see the Fuller Lake. I know it's a lake. What?
That didn't go in the number 2. You went the number 3.
Thank you, Winston. Just lock it up because my stuff is in here. Oh, shush. Come on. We're gonna go for a quick walk. You can sleep the whole way home. Come on.
And I.
Oh yeah, there's a big hawk.
And I want to go. So you gotta.
Someone left a toy.
What is that?
There's a cemetery when you first pull in.
What? Huh?
It's a cemetery. All right, so here's the campground. This is just where we were.
Yeah.
So we kind of came up onto the road and came out this way.
Oh. Okay.
All right, come here, Remy. Hold my hand, please. Remy, if you want to hold my hand, Daddy's got to hold the camera. Not that I could see when I'm filming here. No pets on beach. Look at this. Fuller Beach is now a clean air beach. Good. No smoking. Oh, this looks actually nicer than Laurel. I mean, it's smaller, obviously. So much for listening to that side. You can go swimming here too.
Guys.
The sand?
Hey, wait, that's a lake. That's not an ocean.
It's a lake.
Who would swim in a lake?
We've swam in lakes.
No.
Remy, over
I
here.
have 2 lakes, but I never swim in lakes.
Yes, you do. This is really pretty. I've never been to Fuller's.
I'm like, I have one time.
Look how clear the water is. Don't go all the way, you guys. I don't need mud in the car. Not yet, at least. Remy.
Winston, you're being a bad influence.
Winston, I just said no.
You said mud.
Sand, Winston. You know what I meant. Frame, I just said no. No, 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 no.
Yeah.
I see that. Probably ice cold right now.
I'm touching the wet water.
Remy, please don't go too far ahead of me. No one listens. I don't care where your father goes now. Not you.
I'm not doing anything.
I meant going down.
I don't want to go down. I don't want to slip.
I'm not gonna slip.
You're not going down there.
All right, let's go.
Remy, get behind.
Oh, in that case, quite a few people are not listening to the rules. Oh yeah, no pets on beach. Okay, she was right. First aid station. Bathrooms. Snack bar. And an emergency phone, because you're gonna need it. If you have anything happens, you're gonna need that because there's no signal out here. For Verizon, T-Mobile, or AT&T. Bye. Yes. Man, it is windy out here. Winston, take this. I'll get the remote.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's at 1%.
I don't like those batteries.
I know, they weren't cheap. You've been impaled.
I've been impaled.
You've been impaled. Can Primmy try it? She's never tried it before.
A bunch of RC cars. You're next, baby. You're next. You gotta be patient. Yeah.
All right, Remy. You got to give everybody a turn.
He just got it.
Oh. What? What, Winston?
I said,
You want me to play?
No, no, put it down.
Bye.
I'm like a teenager, Prim.
5 more minutes.
All right, we can bring that camp up. You hit the tree.
All that open space and you hit that little tree. Look at the map again real quick. Oh, it's a little windy. Snack bar. So this is a little bit smaller. Laurel Lake's bigger. Alright. I was looking for a map, like a portable map, but it looks like they're all out. Alright. So, Pine Grove Road. We're down in here right now on Quarry. We have to come down Bendersville to the campground. And we got to go all the way down here to turn down this. Actually, I can't turn down this road, so I got to come down here, go all the way around, and I got to make this sharp turn to get to our campsite. I wish I had realized that when I booked it. I mean, it didn't look terrible, but it was enough. Laurel Lake is this campground, so it's up here. We're down here. And let me see, Appalachian Trail should be on here, right here. There's the Appalachian Trail sign. And as you can see, cuts right through, right? It's on the other side of that lake. So you can't really see it. It's more or less in the mountains. Swamp Trail. But Appalachian Trail is back up in there. I guess it's getting a little windy and chilly here. And we all had some Rudders. So if you're from Pennsylvania, you know there's Rudders, Sheets, and Wawa. We don't have Wawa directly in our area, but we've got Rudders and Sheets. Oh my goodness. Yep, he is. A little RC car does pretty good.
It does. Better range than any ones I ever had growing up.
I know. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. This is York Springs. Up there is Route 15. We're on, I guess, 94.
94 South.
Huh?
I said 94 South.
Yeah. What's that?
Quick body pants.
Ah.
If we unzip the back, we'll get some more air.
Are you guys too warm or? I can't hear you. Can I put what on?
Moments?
Moans? What's moans?
Bones!
Oh, you
Oh.
like that song? I was like, moans? It's moaning. Oh, I like that barn.
That is quite nice. I think that's the one they redid.
Yeah, it is. Oh, horsies.